Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful rainbow flower party decoration. You can use this decoration for any party, a birthday, a wedding, baby shower, or any other kind of party. If you are new to this channel is all about party decorations, DIYs, and all kinds of event decors, exclusively themed DIYs which you can only find on this channel and nowhere else. So click on the red subscribe button right now so you don't lose this channel and you can stay updated on all the future videos that I'll be making. Don't forget to like this video, help this video get to 100 likes. This beautiful party decoration really deserves it. Help this decoration get at least 100 likes. So for this party decoration we will be needing crepe paper. I have 7 colors crepe paper here. I have blue, orange, yellow, red, green, purple and pink. Of each piece crepe paper I will cut small strips and each strip will be 4 centimeters in width. This is one strip. I will be needing 3 strips like this of each color and each strip will be 4 centimeters in width and 2 meters in length. After we have cut it here, and we'll make small cuts of 1 centimeter, and after each half centimeter we'll make cuts here, and that's the same that we're going to do on this side. Our cuts will be 1 centimeter deep, and in the middle 2 centimeter we will leave it untouched like this. After you have cut this, we'll be needing 3 pieces of each color like this. Then you'll unfold it like this. For our next step, we'll take A4 size paper, white color, and we will make a square of 20 centimeters. So our square will be 20 centimeters on each side. After this, we are going to fold our paper in half, like this, and we are going to draw half side of a heart. Then next step, we'll cut it out. In total, we will be needing 7 pieces like this. In our next step, we'll take crepe paper. A small square will do. It has to be bigger than the heart size, so I'm going to take about 22 centimeters. We will place glue on this heart paper that we made. And we will put the glue on 1 centimeter distance from the cut. So if this is our cut line, we'll put it on 1 centimeter distance from there, and we will glue this on the crepe paper like this. And then in our next step, we'll cut out all the excess edges. We'll just follow the line of the paper that we had and we'll cut it out. What we did here with this color is the same that we will be doing with all the other colors. We will need 7 colors like this. Next, we'll take a small square paper. I have here 2 by 2 centimeters, and we will draw a small heart on this one, half side of the heart, and we will cut it out. After we have cut this small heart, we'll take glue and we'll put glue on it, and we will paste it in the middle like this. In our next step, we will take our strips that we made. With tape, we will paste this on the back side of the heart. Make sure the pointed side is for above. On the back side in the middle, exactly in the middle, we'll paste our first strip of crepe paper. We'll unroll it like this and open it up. Next to this one, we'll take tape and we'll paste our second piece on the right side, and we'll unroll this one as well, and exactly the same way on the left side, equal to this, we'll take tape and we'll paste this like this. This is the same that we will be doing with all the other colors. In our next step, we'll take the hearts. On each heart we'll take one side that will stay clear. On the other side, where you have this heart here, this small heart, at half centimeter from that, we'll paste our second heart like this. And that's the same that we'll be doing with all the hearts, and we'll be pasting them the same way. So at half centimeter from this middle heart, we'll attach this one like this. And we're going to attach all our other hearts exactly the same way. I'm going to use double-sided tape. So at the point here, we'll put our double-sided tape here. One more tape here. And one piece. And from this place, from the middle point here, we'll paste our heart at half centimeter distance from the white heart in the middle. Note that the last heart, the yellow one, we'll pick up the orange, push the yellow for underneath, and make sure that the white distance from the white heart is about a half centimeter. We'll place it in the middle, equal like this, and we'll push it in place. And lastly, we'll attach the orange one with the yellow one the same way. I have a square piece of paper of 10 by 10 centimeters, and I'll be pasting this piece of paper on the back side of this flower in the middle with double-sided tape. We'll place it in the middle. And I'll put 2 pieces of double-sided tape. Also, each piece will be 10 by 10 centimeters, and we'll make a plus design here. I have here one more piece paper, also 10 by 10, and I'll paste this paper on top of this like this, and I'll put a piece of double-sided tape in the middle. For our next step, we are going to take masking tape. We'll make a square. We'll need 4 pieces. Each piece will be 10 by 10 centimeters, and we'll make a square here. On this, we are going to attach our flower. I'm going to use double-sided tape. If you want, you can use double-sided tape, or you can use glue, hot glue, and you can attach your entire flower on this construction. And we'll make sure our square is exactly on the same place. For our next step, we are going to take masking tape again. We'll take small pieces. We will fold the masking tape like this, so it becomes like a piece of double-sided tape. And we are going to place this on each curve that we have here. We'll start here above. And carefully we'll place it. While you are doing this, make sure that each color string that you have is available. That I have the purple color here, the heart, then I have the 3 strings here. If I'm going to attach this, I'll make sure that I have enough place for 1, 2, 3 strings like that, and then I'll place this tape here. So now for our next step, we'll start with the easiest one that is on this side. I'll start with the green one. We will turn it up for the left side, and I'll make 4 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 4th turn, I'll paste it here with tape. That's what I'm going to do with all others. I'm going to turn them for 4 times. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to attach this one under this one and next to this one here. moment, if you have any adjustments to do to make your decoration look equal, you can do it. I have knowingly used one color extra on this side to give it a more attractive and rainbow color look. You can do it according to your choice. Just make sure it's equal so that it looks beautiful. And now in our next step, each leftover piece that we have here of the string, we are just going to turn it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. And we're going to paste it here. That's exactly the same way I'm going to do with all the leftover pieces that are hanging. I'll turn them around for 10 times and then paste it on the wall. So let me know how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also check out all the other videos on my channel. I have lots of DIYs, rainbow themed DIYs and all kind of other event themed DIYs, which you can exclusively find only on this channel and no other channel. Many more beautiful party decorations to come.